So you want to remove acne, control oil, and glow naturally? This face mask made from Multani Mitti, neem, and milk works wonders for both men and women. Let's make it at home. Here's what you'll need and why each ingredient works. Multani Mitti. Deep cleanses pores, removes dirt, and tightens the skin. Perfect for oily or acne-prone skin. Neem Powder. Powerful antibacterial that treats acne and prevents future breakouts. Turmeric fades acne scars and adds glow. Men can skip this to avoid staining. Raw milk softens and nourishes the skin, adds a smooth texture. In a clean bowl, add 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti, 1/2 teaspoon of neem powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, optional for men. Add raw milk slowly until you get a thick, smooth paste. On clean, dry skin, apply the mask evenly. Avoid lips and eyes. Women can use the full mask. Men, skip turmeric to avoid staining your beard or skin. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Use this time to relax. Read, listen to music, or meditate. Wash off with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. Your skin will feel fresher, tighter, and visibly clearer. Use this mask twice a week. Always patch test new ingredients. Avoid use on broken or highly sensitive skin. That's your natural face mask. Effective, affordable, and clean. Let your skin breathe naturally. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more skin and wellness content. Your glow starts here.